वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचारणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः। चैप्टर 7। श्री भगवानुवाच मय्यान् सक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं मा यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु। ज्ञानं तेऽहं सविज्ञान इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते। मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कचिन्मा वेति तत्त्वतः। Shri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, now listen how the mind attached to me and practicing yoga with absolute dependence on me, you will know me, the repository of all power, strength and glory and other attributes, the universal soul in entirely and without any shadow of doubt. I shall unfold to you in its entirety this wisdom along with the knowledge of the qualified aspect of God, having known which nothing else remains yet to be known in this world. Hardly one among thousands of men strives to realize me. Of those striving yogis, again, some rare one devoting himself exclusively to me knows me in reality. Bhumirapo nalo vayoh khangmano buddhirev cha ahankaram itiyam me bhinna prakriti rashtadha apare myatastvanyam prakrityam vidhi me param जीवभूतां महाबाहो येदं धार्यते जगते एतद्योनीनि भूतानि सर्वाणीत्युपधारय अहं कृत्स्नस्य जगतः प्रभवः प्रलयस्तथा मत्तः परतरं नास्त्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वे मिदं प्रोक्तं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव रसो अहमप्सु कौन्तेयं प्रभास्मि शशिं सूर्ययोः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दः खे पौरुषं नृषु पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु। Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, reason and also ego. These constitute my nature divided into 8 parts. This indeed is my lower nature, the other than this by which the whole universe is sustained. Know it to be my higher nature in the form of Jiva. O Arjuna, know that all beings have evolved from this twofold Prakriti and that I am the source of entire creation and into me again it dissolves. There is nothing else beside me, Arjuna. Like clusters of yarn beads formed by knots on a thread, all this is threaded on me. Arjuna, I am the sap in water and the radiance of the moon and the sun. I am the sacred syllable Om in all the Vedas, the sound in ether and virility in men. I am the pure odor, the subtle principle of smell in the earth and the brightness in fire. Nay, I am the life in all beings and austerity in the ascetics. बीजम्बान् सर्वभूतानां विद्यपार्थ सनातनं बुद्धिरे बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनाम्यहं बलं बलवतां चाहं कामरागे विवर्जितं धर्मा विरुद्धो भूतेषु कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभा ये च सात्विका भावा राजसास्तामसाश्च ये मतेवेते तान्विद्धि न त्वहं तेषु ते मयि त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावैरेभिः सर्वमिदं जगते मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम् दैवी हेषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते न मा दुष्कृतिनो मूढा प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमा मायया परितज्ञाना आसुरं भावमाश्रिताः Arjuna, know me, the eternal seed of all beings. I am the intelligence of the intelligent, the glory of the glorious am I. Arjuna, of the mighty I am the might, free from passion and desire in beings. I am the sexual desire, not conflicting with virtue or scriptural injunctions. Whatever other entities there are born of sattva and those that are born of rajas and tamas, know them all as evolved from me alone. In reality, however, neither do I exist in them, nor do they in me. The whole of this creation is deluded by these objects evolved from the three modes of Prakriti, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. That is why the world fails to recognize me. Standing apart from these, the imperishable. For this most wonderful Maya veil of mine, consisting of the three gunas, is extremely difficult to break through. Those, however, who constantly adore me alone are able to cross it. Those whose wisdom has been carried away by Maya and are of demoniac nature, such foolish and vile men of evil deeds do not adore me. Chaturvidha bhajante mam janaham sukritanurjana arto jigyasur artharthi jnani cha bharatarsabha tesam jnani nityuktaha ek bhaktire vishishyate प्रियो हि ज्ञाननोत्यर्थ अहं स च मम प्रियः उदाराः सर्वे वेते ज्ञानी त्वात्मेव मे मतम् आस्थितः स हि युक्तात्मा मामेवानुत्तमां गतिम् बहुना जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान् मा प्रपद्यते वासुदेवः सर्वमिति स महात्मां सुदुर्लभः कामेस्तैर्हृतज्ञानः प्रपद्यन्ते न्यदेवताः तं तं नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियतः स्वयं. 4 types of devotees of noble deeds worship me. The seekers after worldly possessions, the afflicted, the seekers of knowledge, and the man of wisdom. O best of Bharatas, of these the best is the man of wisdom, ever established in identity with me and possessed of exclusive devotion. For I am extremely dear to the wise man who knows me in reality, and he is extremely dear to me. Indeed, all these are noble, but the man of wisdom is my very self. Such is my view. For such a devotee who has his mind and intellect merged in me is firmly established in me alone as the highest goal of his life. In the very last of all worths, the enlightened person worships me by realizing that all this is God. Such a great soul is very rare indeed. Those whose wisdom has been carried away by various desires, being prompted by their own nature, worship other deities, adopting norms relating to each. Yo yom yam yam tanu bhaktah shraddhayarchito micchate tasya tasya chalam shraddha tameva videdhamyaham satayam shraddhaya yuktas tasya radhane mihate labhate chatatah kaman mayeva vihitan hitan antuvatto phalam tesam tadbhakyalpa medhasam devan devayajo yante madbhakta yante mamapi avyaktam vyaktimapannam manyante mam buddhayah param bhavamayananto mamabhyamanotamam. Whatever celestial form a devotee chooses to worship with reverence, I stabilize the faith of that particular devotee in that very form. Endowed with such faith, he worships that particular deity and obtains through that deity without doubt his desired enjoyments as ordained by me. The fruit gained by these people of small understanding, however, is perishable. The worshippers of God attain the gods, whereas my devotees, howsoever they worship me, eventually come to me and me alone. Not knowing my supreme nature, unsurpassable and undecaying, the ignorant persons regard me, who am the Supreme Spirit,